Reporting live from Pacific Resort Rarotonga. For those of you who don't know who I am, my name is Eitiare.
And my name is Tarita.
And today, we are going to talk about cyclone procedures to ensure everyone's safety. Let's go!
When preparing for a cyclone, there are 4 stages that our departments follow, and that includes pre-alert, alert, cyclone, and post-cyclone. Let's discuss with our front office team first.
For our pre-alerting stage, we prepare guest lists and gather general information, evacuation plans, and communication. We then inform our guests and set up information boards. Stage 2, we brief staff, monitor weather, and coordinate safety. Guests must remain in rooms while we secure all documents, cash, and equipment. During the cyclone, all guests and staff are to remain in shelter with no movement unless authorized. Post-cyclone, we check on our guests, restore systems, report any damages, and assist with cleanup. Safety first always.
Here at Sandals Restaurant, our team secure loose items and prepare protected restaurant areas in the first stage. In the second stage, outdoor furniture is removed, bar and stock are secured, and we prepare emergency services setup. During the cyclone, staff are to remain in the shelter and there are no services outside the safe area. Only until after our team clean the debris, reset the restaurant and resume minimum operation when safe. Stay calm and be prepared.
At the pre-alerting stage, our team stores water, checks stocks, and prepares supplies. At alerting stage, we secure food safety, prepare a cyclone menu, and ensure emergency supplies are ready. During the cyclone, we remain in shelter and continue essential food preparation safely. Afterwards, we check equipment, inspect food safety, and report any damages. Safety and hygiene come first.
Kia ora ana. Here at housekeeping, for our first stage, we secure the rooms, store linen, and remove loose items. Stage 2. We double check all rooms, store items safely, and switch off power points in unoccupied rooms. During the cyclone, all guests and staff are to remain in shelter with no movement unless authorized. Afterwards, rooms are reset, laundry is restarted, and we assist with property cleanup. Work safely and carefully. Hiya!
Kia ora ana. Here at Engineering and Grounds, our team clears the drains, secures outdoor items, prepares tools, and checks equipment for our first stage. Then we secure utilities, protect equipment, and assist all the other departments. We remain in the shelter and no outdoor work is to be done unless authorized. At stage 4, we check hazards, check debris, restore access, and assist recovery. Safety is the priority.
Kia ora ana. My name is Annie Thompson and I'm the General Manager at Pacific Resort Rarotonga. Part of my responsibility during the cyclone process is to confirm when each of the phase levels or alert levels have switched over. So I work with the CEO in making sure that we are communicating clearly to staff and guests each time we have moved into a different alert stage. Also, straight after a cyclone, I work with the chief engineer in ensuring that the property is safe enough for staff to start a cleanup or the cleanup process. Once the cleanup process is completed, again, it'll be myself or the CEO who will confirm that all is clean and safe for everybody to return back to their areas and enjoy their holiday or commence work. It is my responsibility that should there be an evacuation, we have sufficient food and water during that time. So my message to all of you is clear communication and making yourself available to that information throughout that time. Me taki.
Me taki mata no to'o tuatau.
Stay tuned, stay safe. Ka kite a kone. Mwah.